Hi! In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a deal in Bit CRM. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Deals module. First, navigate to the Deals module. Then, click on the New Deal button. Step 2. Enter deal information. The deal creation form will open. Start by entering a name for your deal. Next, add the contact and company associated with this deal. If you haven't created them yet, create the contact and company first, then add them to the deal. Now, enter the email address. Then, select the business type and lead source from the drop-down menus. Next, choose the deal owner and deal stage. Finally, enter the deal probability and deal amount. You can also add a description to include any additional notes about the deal. Step 3. Create a tag. On the right side of the form, you will find the Tags section. Tags help you organize and categorize your deals more effectively. For this example, we will create a new tag called Bit CRM. Open the Tags module in a new browser tab. Then, click on the New Tag button. Enter Bit CRM as the tag name, then select the Deal module. Finally, click the Create button to create the tag. Your new tag has now been created successfully. Now, return to the Deals module and select the newly created Bit CRM tag from the Tag section. Next, you can also associate one or more products with this deal. Before adding a product to a deal, make sure the product already exists in the Products module. For this tutorial, I have already created a product in the Products module, so I will select it and associate it with the deal. Click the Add Products button, then select the product you want to associate with the deal. Next, review the product details. You can update the quantity, apply a discount if needed, and configure the tax rate. Bit CRM will automatically calculate the subtotal, tax, and grand total. If you'd like to add more products or services to this deal, simply click the Add Line Item button and repeat the same process. Finally, click the Save button. The selected product or products will now be associated with this deal. Step 4. Save the deal. After entering all the required information, click the Create button to save the deal. Your new deal has now been created successfully. Step 5. Manage deal activities. After creating a deal, you can update its information at any time. You can also keep track of every customer interaction by recording activities such as emails, tasks, meetings, calls, attachments, notes, links, and invoices. This helps your team stay organized and maintain a complete history of every interaction throughout the sales process. Your newly created deal will now appear in the proposal stage of the deals pipeline. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.